Hi guys, you welcome to the Mr. Max TV. My name is Success and I'm your host today. Alright, I'm going to be teaching you today how you can set up your Google Admob account and how you can also add your payment method, okay, to your Google Admob account so that you could start a chance to work with Google fully and get your payment directly to your bank account. So you will also learn how you can set up advertising space on your AdMob account, okay, such as your interstitial ID and your banner ID. We're going to be taking this tutorial with a smartphone, so you can see that you can do this with your smartphone, not until you have a computer. So let's go straight to the video. Alright, what you have to do is to type AdMob sign in on search engine on Google, and then once it comes out, you log into your Google account. Okay, so you have to put in your Google account details such as your Gmail and your password. Okay, once you're done, click on next and then wait for it to log in. Okay, now you have successfully signed into Google account. You see that it said welcome to AdMob sign up. So this is the page where you sign up on your where you sign up to Google Admob. Okay. Okay, let's take the step. Firstly, you need to select your country, as you can see there, and then you select your time zone, and after that you select your currency. I advise you always use dollar as your currency with Admob as far as you're in Nigeria or anywhere, but I think dollar is the best currency to use on your AdMob account. Once you're done, then you review the AdMob terms and condition, and once you're done reading it, then you check on the box that said I agree. So that is to certify that you have agreed to the terms and condition. And after that, you click on create AdMob account. It will bring you to this next page. This is where you decide if you want to be receiving notifications from Google AdMob, like tips, maybe tips to improve your apps and so other stuff. So I advise you check only you check yes on the first two, then the remaining one just check no, 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 and then you proceed. In this page, this is the place where you have to confirm your account. Okay, you have to verify your account here with a phone number. So you have to put a phone number that Google could reach you. They could send a pin to your phone number. So you input your phone number using the country code. If you're in Nigeria, use the +234, and if you're in Ghana, you use the +233, and if you're in wherever country you are, you use your country code first before your number. And then once you're done, you check on the box that says text message so that you receive a pin in your text box. Once you have received the pin, then you insert it here and then click on verify. Now click on continue to AdMob. Okay guys, we finally made it. Here, this is our account. You have to click on get started. Okay, here is asking if you have uploaded your app on Play Store, so you have to click on no because you haven't. So now you have to insert the name of your app and then you choose the operating system. So probably we are making an Android app, so you click on Android. Then you click on enable user metrics for this app and then you click on add. Okay, here it says congratulations, your app has been added to AdMob. Now click on create ad unit. Okay, here we go. You have all your ad units here. We have the banner ad, we have the interstitial ad, we have the reward ad, and we have all of the ad you can think of on AdMob. Everything is complete right here, but we are going to focus on banner ad and interstitial ad. So let's quickly click on banner. Okay, on this page you have to put the name of your banner ad, and then in my case I'm going to be naming it banner 1. The reason for putting banner 1 is in case maybe you want to create multiple banner ad units, then you can as well name it banner 2, 3 and more as you want. So here the banner ID is ready, and this is our ID address. Okay, so that is the ID you will copy and use on your applications on whatever platform you want to use it on. Now you have to click on create another add unit. Now select interstitial. Okay, just like we did, you have to name your ID, your add ID. You have to name it. So I'm going to name it inter1. Okay, inter1. Okay, here we go. It's loading, and that is it, guys. Now we have successfully created our banner add unit, and we created our interstitial add unit as well. So we have the tool add unit ready, and that is exactly what we need for our Admob business. Okay guys, there's the part 2 of this tutorial, which is adding your payment method to your Admob account so you can get your payment from Admob every 21st of every month. That is the completion of your account. Okay, so we're going to do that in just few minutes. Okay, now you have to click on the navigation bar and then scroll down, and you see where is written payments with the dollar bill logo. So click on it and then wait for the page to load. Okay, then click on set up payments. Okay, then wait for it to load as well. It said provide your payment details. Okay, once the page is loaded, then you fill up with your details. Okay, the details you have to put in here. Firstly, you have to click on that. Make sure that the account type is on individual. Okay, and once your account type is on individual, then you put up your name. Make sure it's your real name, as same as you have on your bank, right? Then after that, you put up your address. Make sure you write your address correctly, and then the address line 2 is not mandatory. So once you have put up one address line, you can stop there, and then you proceed to putting up the city which you're living in, and then you put up your postal code. And in case you don't know how to get your postal code, just search postal code for your area. For example, let's assume where you live in Amakoko, Lagos. You just put up Amakoko and then you will see the postal code of Amakoko area. Or you live in Oshodi, you just type postal code for Oshodi, Lagos, and then Google will automatically bring up the postal code for Oshodi, Lagos to you. I'm just giving an example. So please use the name of your own address, the name of your area, to search for the postal code. And once you're done, you can put up your phone number, but that is optional anyway. So make a choice. If you want to put up a phone number again, you can do that, and then click on submit. This is our home page, and as you can see, the figures here is written 000 because we have not done anything. Alright guys, this is the end of today's video, and I want to say big thank you to those of you that stayed around and watched till this time. Yeah, you guys are wonderful, and I really love you guys so much for coming up with this tutorial and following up to this extent. It is really not easy, and I want to say big thank you guys. Okay, so if you really enjoyed this video and if the video was really helpful to you, then I will really appreciate if you give this video a like and drop down a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can receive similar videos whenever we upload. Okay, thank you once again for watching. See you next week.